Okay, we continue our reports from EBACE and move from the pavilion to the static display near Airbus. And welcome today Jim Dixon, Head of Aviation Design from Winch Design.
Thank you very much.
It's a pleasure to see you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Jim. Could you share more to our audience which services Winch Design offers to the market, to the business aviation market in particular?
Well, our client base is exclusively VIPs, shall I say, but we do projects across aviation, super yachts and architecture, land-based architecture. And we try and take our clients across all of those different assets. We're lucky enough that our clients have a lot of trust in us. So they may start with one project and then we continue onto something else, hopefully.
What is your smallest project and most complex one you performed so far?
On the aviation side, we're doing a few projects at the moment, refurbishment projects on smaller aircraft, so such as the Falcon 7X and Global XRS, where owners have brought pre-owned aircraft to us and they want to do quite an extensive refurbishment. So we take out all the cabin and essentially give them a completely new cabin which is bespoke to them and completely individual. The most complex project I think we've done to date was an Airbus A340.
Wow.
So a big wide body plane, completely different in size, very meticulous in the detail, very complicated to build, very high expectations from the client, but the quality of the interior is outstanding, and it isn't really like an aircraft interior, it's more like a very exquisite home. So that one was very complex, but we're also doing two 787 Dreamliner projects underway at the moment, and there will be other wide body projects coming along as well in the next year or two. So,
when creating the project, which limitation challenges you have in the aircraft?
We have to abide by all of the certification rules and all of the safety standards that come along with the industry, which the rule book is this thick. It's quite restricting, but it's our job as designers to be creative and try and work around those rules, try and push the envelope, try and find a way of doing things slightly differently to be more expressive and to give the owner something more dynamic, more personal, more individual. But there's lots of restrictions, but that's design. That's part of our job.
We find a solution.
We find a solution. Yeah.
Which markets you're working in, and which markets you would like to expand geographically?
We work in all areas of the globe. Our clients are in all areas. They're in the Middle East, they're in Russia, they're in China, they're in the States. So we have a lot of traveling to do to make sure that we can keep FaceTime with our clients. Most of our aircraft completions are completed in Europe, some in the States as well, but our clients are all over, and so they have very different tastes, very different expressions of their character, and they live in very different cultures, so we have to understand a lot about different cultures around the world to really understand who they are as people and what their lifestyle is.
Which expectation do you have from EBACE this year?
Well, I hope it's going to be a good week. We have the ACJ here behind us,
fantastic,
which is being marketed here for sale. It's an aircraft that we designed about 5 years ago for the client, and I've been on board today. The aircraft is still immaculate. It's still exactly as we delivered it. So it's a very nice aircraft. I'm hoping that lots of people come and see it. So hopefully it should be a good positive week. And I think generally the mood in the industry is very buoyant at the moment. It's starting to increase, and we're looking forward to the future. So.
Great. Jim, thank you for this opportunity to conversate with you. We are looking forward to see you in our event in Design and Business Aviation.
It'll be a pleasure.
2nd of October in London.
Great.
Just to remind you, Jim, one of the speakers in our event, and wishing you a successful show. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Goodbye.
We'll look forward to it.
Likewise.
Thank you.